Hey, remember that video I posted a couple hours ago? Probably 1 hour ago? Well, this is the unboxing time. So I got a total of 4 cars, but let's do the drag racer first. So JD McPillar. So let's get started with him first. So that here is JD McPillar in his drag racer style. This dude will be used because I like it. So let's move on to the next one. Let's put him right here. Next one, let's do the silver series of Tim Treadless. So let's do that. This is Tim Treadless in his silver epic paint job. So next, let me move this a little bit. Oh no, let's put him right here. Put them right here. So next is Aaron Clocker, the next gen for revolting. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so we got Aaron Clocker out of the way. Now let's do the Fabulous Lightning McQueen. This one will be used now. The other one will be used in some, but let's do this. So now we have all of them unboxed. Now, all we have to do is just take a look at all of them. So all of these were made in Thailand. Again, made in Thailand, see? And then made in Thailand. Made in Vietnam. What? Okay, that's awkward. Okay, made in Thailand or? Okay, good. So not all of them are Thailand. Most of them are all that. So let's take a look at all of them. First, let me throw these all away. Okay, now we have all of them unboxed. So let's see. So I guess I'll end the video here. So bye.